Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids.
Let's draw.
What are we going to draw today?
Gingerbread man.
Can you draw a gingerbread woman?
Yes.
A gingerbread girl?
Yes.
Cool. What is a gingerbread man?
It's like something you decorate for Christmas.
Something you decorate. Is it like a cookie? Can you eat it?
Yes.
And does it have buttons?
Yes.
Made of what?
Ginger. Wait, no.
Maybe like gumdrops or Skittles or candies or something?
Or peppermints.
Oh, peppermints. That's a good idea.
Frosting too.
Are you excited for Christmas?
Yes. It's 5 more days until our elf is coming.
Ooh, the elf day. All right, we're excited and we wanted to draw a gingerbread man for Christmas. Thanks for joining us on
Hey Kids, Let's Draw.
And don't forget to what?
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us. Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us on this holiday Christmas drawing of a gingerbread man. So get your gray, we're gonna start with a gray really quick. A light gray, get the pointed tip. Find the center of your page, up and down. Find the center of your page here. So we're going to draw a Christmas hat, a Santa Claus hat, on top of our gingerbread man first. So here we go. Let's do a, follow me. 1, 2, 3. See these bumps? These bumps are for the Santa Claus hat on our gingerbread man.
On accident, I put a dot in there.
That's okay.
It's fine. We're gonna color it soon. I'm not ready.
Good job. And then we'll get our red marker and we'll do this. We'll do a hat that goes. Yep. You can either do a hat that points this way or a hat that points this way. I'll start. Here I go. My hat's gonna go up.
Do we need it at the Sharpie
forward.
part?
Yep, the pointed part. And then I'm gonna come down and connect. See how that works? Then I'm gonna get my gray again and do the ball on the end of the hat. Here we go.
And sure.
There we go. So this is a fun holiday drawing. Good job. And then we will get a light brown or a tan. And now we're going to start to do the outline of our gingerbread person. Okay. So here's a curve for the head.
For the head. Mine is
And do another one. Another curve for the head and stop.
Mine is kind of chippy.
That's okay. And we're going to do an arm that comes up and is waving. So watch this. I'll go first. Arm goes up, out, and down. Okay. This arm is going to come down like this. Down, over, and up. Okay. So now here's the belly. We're going to do a belly. Start with this arm, comes out. And this one goes out. Now we're going to do a couple legs. Watch what I do. Here it goes. Goes down, flat, up, and now it's going to connect up into the belly. What do you think?
Yes.
You liking it? All right. It's kind of a hard drawing, but you're doing good. So now what should we draw, Ava? Should we do
the frosting?
Let's do the frosting. Okay, get that same color, and we're gonna do frosting sleeves and a waist. So watch what I do. I'm gonna make it 1, 2, kind of like a worm, and then make it thick.
Ooh,
And we'll leave that white.
Wiggly worm. Wiggly, wiggly.
Do one up here. 1, 2,
Wiggly,
3.
wiggly. Wiggly, wiggly worm.
Wiggly worm. We'll do one for the waist. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, bum, bum.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, bum, bum.
What do you like most about Christmas?
That you get to see your elf and you get lots of candy and presents.
That's pretty fun, huh?
I like the candy mostly.
You do? What do you like? What's your favorite candy?
Twix. See, I don't think Santa gives Twix.
I'm gonna get a green. Like for Christmas green, and I'm gonna do a bow tie for mine. Is that cool?
Oh, yes. Why aren't you doing a black?
I'm not doing that right now. Here's my bow tie. I'm gonna color my...
I'll mostly do this. I like...
Color that bow tie in green. I like green. It's cool. All right.
It's a Christmas color mostly.
Let's do...
What's that? Come here, Torty.
Should we do some fun gumdrop buttons?
Yes.
What color do you want to do?
Pink.
Pink? Here's a good
I can red.
You have a red. There's a pink. I'll do a fun purple. Here we go. Here's one.
Wait, I'm not ready. I'm still working on the time.
Watch this. I'm gonna leave that area white.
I'm gonna hang this up in here.
I'm gonna leave a little white spot for the highlight on that purple button, and then I'm gonna do what's another fun color?
Blue?
Blue? Should we do a blue?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do another circle with blue.
This kind of looks like Pac-Man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make that part.
And I'm gonna leave that part white on the inside of that button for the highlight. Now what's my other color? Should I do a mint green? What color do you want?
I want...
You want purple?
Orange.
Here's an orange.
Ooh, that's good. That's a good one.
I'm gonna do a mint green. I don't know why, just cause. Leave a highlight.
Oh, this orange looks like oranges. There's two oranges.
What color should we do the eyes? Should we do...
Wait, I'm not even finished with my buttons.
I'm gonna do...
the orange one looks good.
I'm gonna get a darker brown.
Wait, I'm not finished.
Okay.
What
What color do you want?
Pink again.
Another one?
Yeah, look, the same pink.
The same one?
Wait, oh yeah, it's in here.
Oh, there you go. I'm gonna do an eye. A big eye circle. One. Clear over here, another one about the same size. There we go. And then we'll do a mouth. I'll do a pink mouth.
I need some brown. Yes, brown is here for me. Brown. These are tough markers.
I'm gonna do pink lips and leave the inside of my mouth white. See that? What color of eyes should we do?
Blue. Like mine.
Do a dark blue. Bright blue. Let's do bright blue.
I'm gonna color this pink red.
Blue on the inside, blue on the inside. And watch this, I'm gonna leave a white
for the highlight.
Circle for the highlight. See that? Good job. Leave those.
And I need blue too.
There you go. There's a blue for you.
Blue. I need.
So now we have our gingerbread person outlined and ready to color.
Wait, I'm not ready.
I know. I'm just explaining to the viewers. So we're going to do a red hat. We'll color in our gingerbread person brown and outline it. And that should be it. So, we thank you for joining us.
And hey kids, let's draw.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and join us on Instagram, TikTok, or Patreon to support our channel. Happy holidays and thank you for joining us. Fast forward now.